we talk about how can you make followers notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications here. You click here on push notifications here. So then you click here on go to settings. Then you come to next step here. Click here on notification categories. So then you come here to followers. Clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's main followers notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.